Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on a school Chromebook. First, determine if your Chromebook supports Android applications. Many newer models allow access to the Google Play Store. However, school administrators often implement network filters and restrictions that can block game downloads or online play. Always check your school's technology policy regarding app installations and usage. If your Chromebook supports Android apps, open the Google Play Store. You can usually find it in your app launcher. Search for Geometry Dash and ensure you select the official version by Rob Top Games. If the game is available for purchase and your school's settings allow it, you can install it directly. Remember, some schools restrict app installations, even from the Play Store. Another approach involves looking for browser-based versions of Geometry Dash. You might search for Geometry Dash Unblocked on a search engine. However, exercise extreme caution with these sites, as many are unofficial and could pose security risks or contain excessive advertisements. Furthermore, school networks are highly likely to block access to such gaming websites, making this method often unreliable. Before attempting any of these methods, always review and respect your school's acceptable use policy for technology. Playing games during class time is generally not permitted. Be aware that game performance can vary significantly based on your Chromebook's hardware and the school's internet connection. Prioritize your studies and enjoy gaming responsibly during appropriate breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.